Are you sick of paying Zapier every single month just to move your own leads around? In this WP Sync review, I'm going to show you how a new Set and Forget WordPress plugin can connect over 150 of your favorite marketing apps for a single one-time payment. Welcome back to App Verdict. Here is my honest, quick verdict on WP Sync. If you are doing any kind of affiliate marketing, list building, or product launching, you need this. It completely eliminates the Zapier tax. You pay once, you own it, and you get zero task limits. Plus, I have put together an insane custom bonus package that you can only get through my link below, so stick around for that. So, what exactly is WP Sync? It is a powerful automation tool that lives right on your WordPress site. The biggest leak in most affiliate businesses is not capturing buyer emails automatically. If you get a sale on Warrior Plus or JVZoo, you usually have to manually export those buyers to follow up. By the time you do, the buyer's cold. WP Sync grabs those buyers or leads from your Facebook ads and webinars and drops them into your autoresponder in 5 minutes flat. You get faster follow-ups, which means you make 3 to 5 times more in affiliate commissions without doing any extra manual work. Let us look at how it works. When you log into your WordPress admin area, you'll see the WP Sync dashboard. It's incredibly clean, and you do not need to know how to code. First, you paste your API keys for the tools you use like Aweber, Warrior Plus, or Facebook lead ads. Then you click Create Bridge. You pick where the lead comes from on the left and where you want it to go on the right. You can even send one lead to 4 different places at the same time, like your email list, a Google Sheet, and a Slack channel without using up extra tasks. Once you map the fields, you hit Save. Every 5 minutes, WP Sync runs in the background and moves your leads automatically. Now let's talk about the pricing and upgrades. The main offer you want to look at is the WP Sync Complete Bundle for $147. This gives you all 150 plus app connections and zero task limits. There's a cheaper $47 version, but it limits you to just autoresponders. Skip that and get the bundle. After you buy it, you'll see a few optional upgrades. The first is a developer license for $297, which lets you run WP Sync on 25 client sites. If you build sites or run an agency, grab this. The next upgrade is the WP Conversion Tracker AI for $67. I highly recommend this one because once WP Sync fixes your lead leaks, you need to track exactly where your sales are coming from to scale up. I mentioned my exclusive bonuses earlier. If you pick up the WP Sync Complete Bundle through my link in the description, you get my custom App Verdict lead and profit stack. WP Sync automates your business, but my bonuses will actually bring you the traffic and sales to feed into it. Here are the 10 exclusive bonuses you'll get for free today. Bonus 1. Traffic Secrets Unleashed. This shows you how to drive laser-targeted traffic for pennies. Bonus 2. Web List Pro software. Use this lightweight pop-up software to grab emails on your site and let WP Sync handle the rest. Bonus 3. Email List Secrets video tutorial. Learn exactly how to write emails that turn your new leads into cash. Bonus 4. Commission Fire. This reveals the exact strategy super affiliates use to generate massive commissions. Bonus 5. Action Poll. A tool to segment your mailing list so you get higher open rates. Bonus 6, Lead Generation Mastery, a complete guide to creating high-converting marketing pages. Bonus 7, Social Media Viral Content Builder. Drive massive viral traffic by locking your best content. Bonus 8, Affiliate Sales Engine. Easily create high-converting affiliate posts and banners. Bonus 9, Promo Video Secrets. Learn how to make quick promotional videos that skyrocket your conversions. And bonus 10, Client Extractor. Extract local business leads from Google Maps. This is perfect if you grab the developer upgrade. You get all 10 of these premium bonuses for free when you buy through my link today. My final verdict? WP Sync is a no-brainer. Zapier will cost you almost $600 a year for basic automations. WP Sync costs $147 once. It pays for itself in a few months. But you have to act fast. This one-time pricing is strictly available during the launch special. Once the launch ends, it moves to a $297 yearly subscription. Also, my custom 10-part bonus package is strictly limited to the first 25 action takers. Click the link in the description right now to lock in your lifetime price before it's gone. After you buy, your bonuses will be waiting for you automatically inside your Warrior Plus or JV Zoo purchase receipt. Just click the blue Access Bonus button. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to AppVerdict for more honest affiliate marketing reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.